In this video, you will learn how to create and resolve a room maintenance request in Opera Cloud. You can create a room maintenance request for any guest room with an issue that requires action. In this example, I will create a maintenance request for broken air conditioning in a guest room. Let's get started. On the Opera Cloud dashboard, you can view the number of resolved and unresolved maintenance requests. To create a new maintenance request, I go to Inventory, Room Management, and then select Room Maintenance. Then click New. Enter the room number. Next, I click the Reason drop-down list and select AC from the list. To assign this request to a specific staff member to action, I can select a person from the User drop-down list. I add comments to the Remarks section, and then click Save. I can click the view icons to change how the requests display. Now, when I click on the plus sign next to Today, I can see the maintenance request I just created for today. Now, let's learn how to resolve a maintenance request in Opera Cloud Mobile. From the Opera Cloud Mobile menu, tap Room Maintenance. I can tap the plus icon to create a new maintenance request. Or, as in this example, I will search for the maintenance request I just created. To find the request, I tap Search. Now I select all requests from the drop-down list. If I selected a person when I created the request in the previous step, then I would select Assign Requests. Now I can see the request I just created. When the request is complete, I can double-tap the request and select Resolve. Now, the maintenance request is marked as resolved.